once again. Oh yeah, you said Lucy.
Hello students, welcome to our channel. Now in our mathematics subject we learn the previous lesson, fourth number lesson, operation on fraction. In this lesson we learned the various operation of related to the fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now see some examples here. 4 upon 10, 3 upon 20, 12 upon 100, 6 upon 50, 7 upon 12. Here given some example. When we observe some fractions given of 4 upon 10 and 12 upon 100, that fractions here 3 upon 10, 1, 2 and 3. These three fractions denominator has 10 or multiples of 10. Hence, if the fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 or any times multiples of 10, that fractions are called as decimal fraction. ज्या अपूर्णांकाच्या छेदस्थानी 10, 100, 1000 किंवा 10च्या पटीतल्या संख्या असतात त्या अपूर्णांकाला दशांश अपूर्णांक असे म्हणतात. That related information, some basic information about the decimal fractions we have learned or studied in previous standard. So now in this standard to learn the more information about the decimal fractions. So now today we are going to learn next lesson in our subject maths, 5th number lesson, and name of the lesson is decimal fractions. Lesson number 5, decimal fraction. Now up to here you understand which fractions are called as the decimal fraction. The fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 or any times multiples of 10, any 10 times multiples of 10, that fractions are called as the decimal fraction. Our writing systems are called as the decimal system. In this decimal system, the first place is unit, its left tens, its left 100, and its left is 1000. And you know that each place of the place of unit is 1, place of value of tens is 10, place value of 100 is 100, and place of 1000 is 1000. In this decimal system, the place of each place is the 1 upon 10 of its length. For example, 1 place value of 10 is 10's place is 10, 100 place value is 100, and 1000 place value is 1000. Find the value of its length. 1000 multiply 1 upon 10. So solve this example. 1000 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1000 upon 10. Remaining value we get 100. It's 100 value. 100 into 1 upon 10. 100 into 1. 100 upon 10. 100 divided by 10. We get 10. Place value of 10. 10 into 1 upon 10. 10 into 1. 10 upon 10. 10 divided by 10. We get the quotient is 1. Now, such time we get the value. Again, each value from right to left increase the 10 times. So, after unit place, when we use this formula or use this method, find out the next which is the place. So 1 into 1 upon 10, 1 into 1, 1 upon 10. We get the next place is place value 1 upon 10, and that place are said to be the 10th place. 10th place. Find its next value 1 upon 10. Place value of 10 is 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10, 1 into 1, 1, 10 into 10, 100. We get the next place value 1 upon 100, and its place are said to be the 100th. We get next values, tens, 100, tens, thousands, 10,000s there. From units, right side, this type of the place we get tens and hundreds. Its place is 1 upon 10, and its 100 place is value is 1 upon 100. So now, if there is the given example, find the value of the digits 4.26. Find the place value of this. Now, after these points are said to be the decimal point. Where is the decimal point? The decimal points using the between integer and 10th place. End of integer and beginning the fraction. Beginning the fraction parts and ending the integer part, between both using the decimal point. अपूर्णांकाच्या सुरुवातीला आणि पूर्णांकाच्या शेवटी दशांश चिन्ह वापरले जाते. Now this is how many place after the decimal point? 1, 2. Where is the 6? 100 place. The place value of 6 is 100 is the 6. So 6 upon 100. The place value of 2 is 10th place written as 2 upon 10. 4 is integer, so written here integer, and this point as it is. Now for integer part as it is decimal point. So after that written as 2 and 6. Its place value is 4 decimal point. 2 means 0.2 is the place value. Here is the 4, but only place value of 2. फक्त 2 ची जर आपण स्थानिक किंमत काढली तर ती किती आहे? 0.02 आणि 6 ची आहे 0.चिन्ह. इथे कुणी नाही म्हणून इंटिजरला आपण 0 लिहितो, मग 0 त्याच्यानंतर डेसिमल पॉइंट. आफ्टर 10th प्लेसला संख्या नाही 0 आणि 6 आहे 100 प्लेसला आहे म्हणून 0.06. प्लेस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 4. प्लेस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 2 इज 0.2. प्लेस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 6 is 0.06. These forms are said to be the numerator and denominator form, and these forms are said to be the decimal form. या दशांश अपूर्णांकाच्या लेखन पद्धतीला अंश छेद अंश आणि छेदाच्या रूपामध्ये आपण लिहिलेलं आहे. तर हे अपूर्णांक दशांश अपूर्णांकामध्ये दाखवलेले आहेत. Now here we learn the decimal fractions place value. आता आपण या ठिकाणी अंकांची दशांश अपूर्णांकातील अंकांची स्थानिक किंमत पाहिलेली आहे. Now see the next point in this lesson, addition and fractions. आता आपण पाहूया दशांश अपूर्णांकाची बेरीज आणि वजाबाकी. Decimal fractions. Addition आपण प्रथम पाहूया addition. Decimal fractions addition. Now suppose there is the one student, name of its Nandu. Nandu goes to the market, going to the shop, and he said to the shopkeeper, Kaka, I want some articles. Shopkeeper says, which articles you need? Which articles you want? Then Nandu says, I want. Which articles he have required? There is the Nandu says, I want pen. After that, eraser and notebook and paint box. That articles I want. Then shopkeeper says, the cost of pen is 4.5 rupees. 4.5 rupees. The cost of eraser 1.5 rupees. The cost of notebook is 6.5 rupees, and the cost of paint box is 25 and 50 paise. There is the pen, eraser, notebook and paint box, that articles to indicate the Nandu, and shopkeeper says to the his cost it object. Each per item there is the same. Shopkeeper told him that cost of the object. Then Nandu says, prepare the bill. नंदू म्हणाला ह्याचे बिल तयार करा. ता बिल कसे तयार होईल पहा. Suppose this is the bill paper. Name of its आशय वस्तु भंडार. Place of the shop, number, serial number 87. Date here. There is the first column denoting the items. After that, quantity and amount. First item is take the Nandu pen. How many number of pens he bought? 1. Cost of amount 4.5 rupees means 4 rupees and 50 paise. 4 रुपये 50 पैसे. Next is the eraser. How many articles he bought? One. Cost of is 1 rupees 50 paise. Next is the notebook. Cost of is, how many number of notebooks he bought? 1. So cost is 6 and 50 paise. 6 rupees 50 paise. Paint box. 1 paint box he bought and costing it 25 rupees and 50 paise. Total. How many items? How many items he bought? How many quantities? 4 quantities. Now here is the given cost. So addition is then 4 rupees 50 paise, 1 rupees 50 paise, 6 rupees 50 paise, 25 rupees and 50 paise. Addition on the decimal fractions here. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0, written as 0. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20, written as here 0, carried over 2. 5 plus 6 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 4 16, carried over 2 18, carried over 1, 2 plus 1 3. So total cost price is 38 rupees. Then Nandu gave 100 rupees to shopkeeper. How many rupees he will get back? नंदूने काकांना, दुकानदार काकांना 100 रुपये दिले. त्याने ज्या वस्तू खरेदी केल्या त्याची किंमत 38 रुपये झाली. नंदूने दुकानदारांना 100 रुपयाची नोट दिली. आता नंदूला किती रुपये परत मिळतील? Which operation now do here? So do the operation multiplication. Subtraction. आता नंदूने 100 रुपये दिल्यानंतर त्यातून त्याला किती रुपये परत मिळतील? 38 रुपये गेल्यानंतर तर आपल्याला वजाबाकी करावी लागेल. म्हणून पहा 100 minus 38. Here is the 0 8, not subtract from 0 3. So 1 carry 8 here. We get the numbers 10. 10 plus 8 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 3 6. There is the 68 rupees will get returned to the Nandu. तर नंदूला 62 रुपये परत मिळतील. Here we do the addition and subtraction related example. आता आपण इथे बेरीज आणि वजाबाकीशी निगडीत उदाहरण पाहिलेलं आहे. अशा प्रकारे दशांश अपूर्णांकांची बेरीज वजाबाकीशी उदाहरणे आपण मागील इयत्तेमध्ये अभ्यासलेली आहेत. डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शन्स या पाठामध्ये. आता लक्षात ठेवा की यामध्ये रुपीज अँड पैसे, rupees and paise, how many place are there? 2 decimal place. Meter, centimeter, how many decimal place? 2 there is there. It means while solve the examples related to the rupees and paise, centimeter and meter, then using how many decimal fractions place? 2 decimal fraction place use when solve the examples rupees and paise and meter centimeter. Why we use the decimal fraction is that type of the example solve the 2 decimal fractions because there is the 100 paise means 1 rupee. 100 paise means 1 rupee and there is the 2 place. 100 means tens 100 place. Such as 100 centimeters means 1 meters. 2 place means 100 place. So using the paise, rupees, centimeter, meter, while solve the examples, then using the two decimal place. But when using the kilometer, meter, kilogram, gram, liter, milliliter, these type of the examples, then using the how many decimal place? 3 decimal place, because 1000 gram means 1 kilogram, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. How many decimal place are here? 1000 means units. From the units, its units right side 10th place, hundreds and thousand place. So remember this point. जेव्हा किलोमीटर, मीटर, लिटर, मिलीलीटर, ग्रॅम, किलोग्रॅम संबंधी उदाहरणे सोडवायची आहेत तेव्हा 3 स्थळांपर्यंत दशांश अपूर्णांकांचा विचार करावा आणि मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, रुपीज, पैसे संबंधी उदाहरणे सोडवताना 2 स्थळांपर्यंतचा विचार करावा. Now see the examples. Reshma goes to the market and she bought some objects, some vegetables. Now Reshma bought some vegetables, 3 quarters, potatoes, 1 kilogram onion, half kilogram cabbage, and quarter tomatoes. What is the total weight of it her bag? रेशमाने काही पालेभाज्या खरेदी केलेल्या आहेत. त्यामध्ये पहा 3 quarters potatoes, 1 kilogram onions, half kilogram cabbage and quarter tomatoes. What is the total weight of her bag? तर तिच्या त्या बॅगचे एकूण वजन किती? Now in these examples, how many units are here? 2 units. One unit is gram and other is kilogram. So here in this example, think the 3 decimal place, and now we solve the examples both units, meter and gram and kilogram. So now see here the first. Here we solve the examples in gram. First you know that 1000 gram means 1 kilogram means 1 kg. 750 grams means 3 quarter, and 500 gram means half kilogram and 250 gram means quarter. So first here we use the unit gram. Write the all vegetables here. 3 quarters potato means 750 gram. Potatoes. Three quarter means 750 gram plus 1 kilogram onion, 1000 gram. After that, cabbage half kilogram. Cabbage half kilogram means 500 grams. And last one is the tomatoes. Tomatoes 250 grams. Addition of potatoes, onion, cabbage and tomatoes. Weight 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 and 0. Gram units written as here. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 5, 10, carried over 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, carried over 1, 1 plus 1, 2. The total weight we get 2500 gram. Total weight of the vegetables in her bag is 2500 grams. एकूण बॅग मध्ये जे पालेभाज्यांचं वजन आहे ते किती ग्रॅम आहे? 2500 ग्रॅम. आता आपण हे उदाहरण ग्रॅम किलोग्रॅम युनिट मध्ये सोडूया. किलोग्रॅम see here, potatoes 750 grams means 0.750 gram. 1000 gram means 1.000 grams. Cabbage 50 gram means 0.500 grams. Tomatoes 0.250 grams. Addition of vegetables weight 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 we get 0. 5 plus 0 5 plus 0 5 plus 5 10. Carried over 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 5 8 8 plus 7 50. Carried over 1 1 plus 0 plus 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 0 2 and decimal point written below the decimal. Write the decimal point below the decimal point as it is. So we get 2.500 gram means 2 kilogram and half gram. 2 kilogram and half kilogram. You know that 2.500 is equal to 2.50 is equal to 2.5. All are same value. या तिन्हींचीही व्हॅल्यू समान आहे. 2.500 म्हणजेच 2.50 म्हणजेच 2.5 होय. Here we get the total weight of vegetables in Reshma's bag is in gram 2500 gram and kilogram means 2.5 kilogram. So now see the some examples here of addition. आता आपण काही बेरजेची उदाहरणे पाहूया. Add 6.39 plus 84.37. 6.39 plus 84.7. When the given this type of the examples, now first written as decimal point first. In second number, write the second decimal point plus write the draw the line, and above numbers related its neighbor which number to the point 3, its neighbor 9, its decimal points left 6. Second decimal point written first, other which numbers are related to the immediate, its right side 7 and its left 4, its left 9. No any number below the 9 means they are written as 0. Addition then 9 plus 0 9, 7 plus 3 10, carried over 1, but here is the decimal. 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11, carried over 1 plus 8 9. Write the decimal point in answer below the decimal point. So we get the answer 91.09. We get the answer 91.09. Second example, add 94.382 plus 7.56. When solve this example, then first written as decimal point. First, after we write first decimal point, after write below the its second decimal point. Draw the line. पहिल्यांदा पहिल्या संख्येतील दशांश चिन्ह लिहा, त्याच्या खाली बरोबर दुसरे दशांश चिन्ह लिहा आणि त्याच्या बरोबर तिसरे दशांश चिन्ह लिहा. परंतु उत्तर काढल्यानंतर पहा, आता या संख्येच्या दशांश चिन्हाच्या शेजारी कोणता अंक आहे? 3. त्याच्या शेजारी 8, त्याच्या शेजारी 2. which number? 9. After next number plus which number are related to the decimal points right side? 5, its right side 6, its left 3. No in number below the 2, there is right 0. Addition them 2 plus 0 2, 8 plus 6 14, carry 1, 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 3 plus 4 7 9. As it is in answer, write the decimal point as it is below the above 2 decimal point. वरील 2 दशांश चिन्हाच्या खाली तिसरे दशांश चिन्ह उत्तरामध्ये द्या. We get the answer 97.942. अशा प्रकारे बेरजेची उदाहरणे सोडवायची आहेत. आता आपण एक वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम पाहूया जो बेरजे संबंधी आहे. Example, first word problems. Sharp travel. 10 kilometer 620 meter by bus, 9 kilometer 780 meter by a car, 2 kilometer 400 meter by scooter, and 820 meter walk. How many kilometer did he travel altogether? या उदाहरणामध्ये श्यामने प्रवास केलेला आहे. तो बसने 10 किलोमीटर 620 मीटर, कारमध्ये 9 किलोमीटर 780 मीटर, स्कूटरने प्रवास केला आहे 2 किलोमीटर 400 मीटर आणि तो चालत गेलेला आहे 820 मीटर. सो नाव addition here distance. First here find the kilometer and meter. Kilometer and meter. Now he traveled bus ने 10 kilometer 620 meters. After that by car 9 kilometer 780 meter. Next vehicle scooter. He traveled 2 kilometer 400 meter and walk. He walked 820 meter. So write the kilometer in number in kilometer column and meter number in meter column. So 10 kilometer 620 meter, 9 kilometer 780 meter, scooter 2 kilometer 400 meter, and he walked 0 kilometer 820 meter. Addition there. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 we get 0. 2 plus 0 2 plus 8 10 plus 2 12. Carried over 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 7 20. 20 plus 6 26. 9 0 plus 2 2 plus 8, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. We get the answer 21 kilometer and 2620 meters. But you know that 1000 kilometer means 1 kilometer. 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. 1000 gram means 1 kilogram, and 1000 milliliter means 1 liter. So here we get the number in 2 is in meter place. That number written in kilometers column. हे जे 2620 आहे म्हणजे 2 किलोमीटर 620 मीटर आहे. तर हे जे 2 आहे ते मीटरच्या कॉलम मध्ये आपण ठेवू शकत नाही किंवा ते तिथे राहू शकत नाही, तिथे लिहिता येत नाही, कारण 1000 मीटर म्हणजे 1 किलोमीटर होतात, 1000 ग्रॅम म्हणजे 1 किलोग्रॅम, 1000 मिलीलीटर म्हणजे 1 लिटर, म्हणून 2 हे किलोमीटरच्या कॉलममध्ये लिहा. देन वी गेट फायनल आन्सर 620 meters and 2 plus 1 3 and 2 as it is. So he traveled. Therefore he traveled 23 kilometer 620 meter altogether. When we write the answer in decimal fraction, which type we write the decimal fraction? 23.620 kilometer. 23.620 किलोमीटर. अशा प्रकारे बेरजेचं उदाहरण, शाब्दिक उदाहरण आहे ते आपण सोडवलेलं आहे. आता आपण एक उदाहरण पाहूया पुढील वजाबाकी. Subtraction of decimal fraction. Now let us learn the next point is decimal fraction subtraction. Example first. 39.84 minus 1.2. When they give us this type of the example, so which way we addition the decimal fraction, that type solve the examples of subtraction. So first written as decimal point first, next decimal point below its end, put the decimal point second to the first, write the number, its right is the odd number 8, its right 4, its left 9, its left 3, subtract its right 2 and its left 1. No any number here, so written as 0 and subtract them. 4 minus 0, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 9 minus 1, 8, 3 as it is, and decimal point in answer write the above two decimal point. पहिल्या जे ठिकाणी दशांशचिन्ह आहे त्याच्या बरोबर खाली तिसरे दशांशचिन्ह उत्तरामध्ये लिहावे. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, सबट्रॅक्ट 48.2 minus 3.64. 48.2 minus 3.64. First written as point, first decimal point, after below its second decimal point, draw the line, write the number its right 2, after 8 its left 4 minus second number 6 and 4 its left 3. Now here is the no any number above that place. Here take a 0 always. जेव्हा संख्येबरोबर दशांश चिन्हाच्या उजवीकडे जर संख्येच्या खाली एकाकडे एक संख्या नसतील, जर एखाद्या संख्येच्या वरच्या ठिकाणी किंवा एखाद्या संख्येच्या खालच्या भागामध्ये जर संख्या नसतील तर त्या ठिकाणी 0 हीच संख्या घ्यावी. So 0 not subtract 4 from 0, so take 1 carried over from 2, remaining here is the 1 and we get here 10. 10 minus 4 6, 6 not subtract from 1, then take carried over from 8, here remaining the 7. Here numbers make 11 minus 6 5 7 minus 3 4 and 4 as it is, and decimal point same as addition written here. Put the decimal point, we get the answer 44.56. अशा पद्धतीने. Now see more example. Subtract 84.52 minus 3.234. Now in this example, write the decimal point. After second decimal point, draw the line, write the number 5 2. It's like 4 8. Subtract 2 3 4 3. See here, after the decimal point in fractional parts, 5 2 2 3, but no any numbers above the 4, so take there is a 0. So do not 4. Subtract from 0, take carry from its neighbor late number. So here we get number 10. 10 minus 4 6. Here 1 carry we write here. So here we number return remaining 1. So not subtract from the 1 3. So take from carry its left. Here is the number 11. 11 minus 3 8. Remaining numbers here is the 4. 4 minus 2 2. 4 minus 3 1 8 as it is. Decimal point in answer as it is. We get the answer 81.286. So here see the last example. Fourth, 9.2 minus 8.9.24. 8.3. Point first, second decimal point. After that, in first number 2, it's right 4, it's left 9. Second number 8, it's right side number 3, it's left side number 8. Subtract, no number below the 4, so return here is the 4. आपण या उदाहरणामध्ये वरच्या संख्या खालच्या 3 स्थळ आहेत तर इथे 2 स्थळ होती प्लेस होते म्हणून इथे आपण 0 घेतला. त्याचबरोबर या उदाहरणामध्ये एकच प्लेस होता पण इथे 2 प्लेस होते म्हणून इथे 0 घेतला आणि 2 प्लेस केले. आता इथं 2 प्लेस आहेत, इथे एक प्लेस आहे मग या प्लेसवर कोणी नाही म्हणून तिथे 0 घ्या. 4 minus 0 4. Not subtract 3 from 2, take carried over its left number, so remaining here is 8. Number here obtain make 12. 12 minus 3 9. 8 minus 3 0, and in answer write the decimal point. We get the answer 0.94. So now today in this video we learn the decimal place value of the decimal fraction and addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. I hope all of you understand very well today's example. So all students solve the examples number 14 in your mathematics notebook and practice the decimal fractions addition and subtraction. So all of you study the all parts. Thank you.